guys, Stephanie here, and this is going to be a fun video today. Today we are going to make some cards from a card making magazine. Now, I got this magazine at the bookstore at Barnes & Nobles, and it says you get 175 fab gifts inside for card making. Essentially, you get like a little kit. Okay, get all this stuff in here. So we're going to open it up, and we're going to make some really cute cards. Looks like maybe an Easter card, a Mother's Day card, and maybe one other. And I went ahead and pulled out some embellishments that I may or may not use. So, you know, I'll have to dig through my stash to see what I need and what we need to put on it. So I think it's going to be a fun little project, okay? Now, this magazine was $16.99 at Barnes & Nobles. And I believe it comes out every quarter, so every 3 months. And this is March 2018. So, but I saw this one. I thought it was the best one that they had because, you know, they have a lot of card making magazines. And I believe this one is from the UK as well. I haven't seen too many American versions of this, and I think if it was, it'd probably be a lot more expensive than $16.99 because it says mum, and I believe that's a more British or English term as opposed to mother or mom or mama here in America. But anywho, we're gonna have fun with this card. It comes with all kinds of toppers and decoupage things and all kinds of stamps, everything. So let's go ahead and get into the card making magazine. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a fun project, guys. Okay, so I'm opening up the kit, or the magazine and the kit. Technically it's a magazine that came with the kit. So you get the magazine, which is this, which is awesome. And it has all kinds of really cool ideas for card making. You know, I love card making magazines. I love card making magazines and jewelry magazines. I just saw one for mixed media art, journaling. I'm a magazine freak, and I love, of course, fashion magazines, you know. So yeah, this is really nice. Look at all the little cards you can make. All kinds of really cute little things in here. So we're gonna, you know, maybe refer to this for some ideas. Okay, now look at the kit. This is like a full kit, guys. I'm so excited. Really? Like, oh, let's just open this real quick, honey, because this is going to be nice. I think as long as you make something that you like, you know, and that you're proud of, that's all that matters. So, excuse my rustling of the paper. I'm trying to open it. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Toppers. Aren't they pretty? Get a little tag there. Wait, right there. Cute. You get actual... Or you get the little small cards, so probably the 4x6 size. And you get my favorite colors, turquoise and pink. Let's open these since they're smaller. And you can obviously use your own card bases as well. And I think you get 3 of each, looks like. Oh wait, can you get a green one in here? Let's see, let's pull them out. Oh yeah, you get turquoise. And a couple of turquoise, like 3 it looks like. Looks like, yeah, you get some green ones. You get 3 of each, I think. Yeah, and then pink. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Oh, I like this size. It's really cute. Kind of a small little card. I generally like bigger cards, but, you know, sometimes a small card is necessary. So I'm just going to fold it like that. Since that's, you know, we're going to use a pink one. I'm going to do a turquoise one. Okay, so let's go ahead and fold it. Fold it the right way. Make sure it's lined up and everything. All right, so yay, that's really convenient that they send you have your own bases in there, the card bases. That's great. Yeah, nice little convenient size, and you even get envelopes with it. Let's see, you have the envelopes as well. So now I'm excited about these. Wait a minute, all this stuff over here. Oh, look at the stamps. How cute! You get an Easter bunny, a little flower stamp. What else do you get? Especially for you, best wishes, best mum, just because, happy birthday. Wow. So yeah, you can make a bunch of different types of cards with these. Wow. Probably got enough stuff to make 3, 6, 9 cards. That's really good, you know. That's really good. 9 cute cards too. All right, so I'm gonna open this and check out the toppers, the die cuts, and all the other stuff. Oh, look at that. This is all my favorite stuff. Look at that. Gorgeous. Like, isn't that cute? Wow. I am in love with these. Wow. Oh, look, and you get the little Easter bunnies. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at this one. Oh, and this one. Oh, don't you love? Oh, for a little girl. That's cute. Special little girl for Easter. Oh, don't you love? Okay, let's see. I think that's it, just for those. You get 4 of those. So I got 4 of the, I guess, 4 of these toppers or die cuts or whatever you want to call them. Ephemera. Either or. Okay, and then look, you get the paper. Little ballerina slippers and the bows. Let's see, how many do you get of those? 1, 2, 3. Get 3 of these, top and bottom, which is nice. Really cute. You get 3 of these, which is cute. I'm a floral girl. I generally like floral patterns, but this is really cute. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to set aside what we like. And all I see is like hearts and stars, so that's very cute. 3 of these. That's very cute. So we'll go through them and then decide which ones we're going to use. Yay! Okay, let's go to the Easter bunnies. Look at, aren't they that cute? Oh, so sweet. So sweet. That's so cute and sweet. Oh, adorbs. Just love. Now we have the florals, ladies and gentlemen. I do love florals. Oh, these are cute. I actually have some flowers that would go perfect with that. I think I'm gonna start with a Mother's Day card. What do you think? You think Mother's Day? We'll see. Oh, guys, look at this. Cute. Yes, this is what we're gonna start with. Yes, love this too. Super cute. These are gonna be some easy cards to make. Look at this, pretty patterns. Wow, this is a great set, man. I could use this for a long time. Let's see, only a few more to go through. Look at that, gorgeous. Oh, I love this. I have some ephemera that will look perfect with this. Then we got some kind of little softer background. So that's the last 3 pages. So you get 3 of each of those pages. Wow. Let's see. This is a great kit, guys. Wow, you get all this paper. 3, 6, 9, 12. All together you get 28 patterns. You know what I mean? So you get 3 of each sheets. So that's a lot. That's like almost a whole paper pad. In some places. I love this. Okay. Now it's a matter of just choosing which ones we're going to use and what we're going to make first. So let's go ahead and figure it out. So I chose 2 papers. This is actual paper. It is not cardstock. See? It's paper. And I cut it down because I decided I'm going to layer it. Okay? And I didn't actually measure it. I really just measured it to fit the card. So whatever the size of the card you wanted it to be, like if it's 4 by 6 or something, and that's what you measure it at. And I measured this a little smaller just because I want it to look a little layered and I want the background to peek out a little bit, kind of like that. Okay. So, and then we're going to put our embellishments on top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some double-sided tape. Okay. So this is how I'm going to do it. Okay. So I'm going to take my glue runner and just run it across the top of the card just to hold the paper down. Just a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to take my pink paper and then I'm going to place it down where I want it. Okay, so that's good. Yay. That's how it looks. Nice and secure and sturdy. So that's kind of pretty background. Kind of understated because we want our little bunnies to stick out. I'm taking the double-sided tape and I'm going to use the squares here. I'm just going to place the squares on the back of the paper just to give it a little bit of a rise. Now you can make these however you like. I generally like making layered cards when I do make cards. I just think they look better. They're a lot more interesting and they're fun to make, you know. They're a lot of fun to make. So I'm just going to put our double-sided tape here just to kind of give it a 2D, 3D effect, you know. I never made an Easter card before, so this is my first Easter card. I'm excited. Yay. Yay. And then we're going to put our embellishments on that came in the package, and then if we see we need to add something else to it, we'll do that. If not, we'll leave it as is, okay? So that's how our card is going to open up like that. with our double-sided tape. And then our little bunnies. And we want our little bunnies kind of centered. Kind of just peeking through. See? Oh yeah, that's cute. Nice little layered look. Look at that. Cute little Easter card. That's cute already. Right? Now we're going to pick, let's see, what should we make? An Easter card, or should we make a happy birthday card? Or just a special card for a special person? This screams Easter to me, so I don't know. What you think? Especially for you? I like that. That's cute. Special little girl, best mom. Oh, this is cute. The little bunny. That's cute. Let's see. Lots of love. Let's do one of these. That's adorable. And let's see, how does this one look? I peel these off, which is cool. Oh, that's cute. And then we got a little heart, which is adorbs. I'm gonna put that there on here. Yay, we can see it. And then how about, you know what? The ballet slippers are really cute. Let's do for the ballet slippers from this one. So, oh, that's cute. Yeah, very simple. And then we can add some other embellishments. I think I'm gonna not put the heart on there, okay? So let's go ahead and put our double-sided tape on our little embellishments to get them to stand out. So we have our double-sided tape on there. And our little bunny, a little blue bunny. This to me is an Easter card, but I guess it could also be a birthday card. So it depends on what it is you want to make. So it's just a cute little card for a little girl or a young lady. Let's see. I think I'm going to need to cut this down. So that's what you can do. You can also just cut this double-sided tape down to fit the size of the embellishment that you're going to use. So I'm going to do that. Oh, that's cute. Lots of love. That's adorable. And then we're going to put a simple, easy little card. And it's going to be really cute. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Oh. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's just do the ballet slippers right there. Yay, so cute. Oh yeah, look at that. Really cute already. Isn't that adorbs? That's darling. Okay, so now you know me. If I'm gonna add something else, which I will, I'm gonna do a flower. Some of my flowers I got at Michael's for $2. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and put a piece of double-sided tape on that, just so it'll stick. So, you know, sometimes I don't trust these things. I usually have my hot glue gun out to secure these, but since these are going to be some simple, easy little cards, I think we need it. There we go. Oh, let's see. Let's put it over here by our bunny. Oh, isn't it sweet? What do you think? We need another one? No, I think that's enough, huh? Yeah, that's enough. Look at that. Easy, cute little card. Really cute. I love that. Really cute and easy. Now this could be an Easter card because it has the bunnies on it, but I guess it could also be a birthday card. And you can also reinforce the inside of it as well. But so that's card number 1, made from our magazine pack here. Really sweet, little, easy, simple.